With Garmin Coach, it feels like a professional coach is always on your side. Your personal 5K trainer is always on hand. Choose from 3 credible coaches to guide you on your journey. Open Garmin Connect. Select More. Select Training. Learn more. Carefully read the features and the plan details. Select Set Up Plan. Read the terms and conditions and select I accept. Select your fitness level. Select your 5K goal. Select your personal coach. Choose coach. Pick dates available and select next. You may find a race event or create a personal 5K race. Rename training title or select suggested date. Once it is all set, select Next. Review your information for further changes. Select Done to create your training plan. The screen will show your 5K plan start date. Select Got it. You have successfully created a training plan. From here, you may check benchmark run. Or workout schedule. Check a training plan on your watch. To view your training plan on a wearable device, we recommend to sync your phone and watch. On Garmin Coach widget and enter this function. Choose either Do Workout or View. This is how you create a training plan with Garmin Coach. Thank you for watching.